As a free-to-play action RPG released across multiple platforms, Genshin Impact has amassed a multi-million player base since its release last year. The game is set to continuously receive updates and additional content into the near future, allowing gamers to enjoy their time in the fantasy world for much longer than previous games in the genre. In one of their more recent updates, you're taken to a whole new part of the map with sub-zero temperatures and unique items and game mechanics. If you've been exploring this new Dragonspine region, you may have come across a few sometimes strangely patterned blocks of ice that don't melt or take damage from pyro attacks. If you've been looking for how to shatter these blocks, this guide is for you. What you've stumbled upon is something known as an ancient rhyme. In order to damage and eventually break these blocks, you'll need to find a nearby scarlet quartz vein, easily recognizable by its reddish color. Breaking one yields one scarlet quartz, which is activated as soon as it's picked up. Once activated, your character on screen will have scarlet aura, and their next attack will be greatly amplified in power. You'll then have a little under half a minute in real-world time to get to the ice block and hit it to deal damage. Be careful not to attack anything else on the way to avoid prematurely activating the power. If you run into some trouble or it runs out on your way back, don't worry. Most veins will regenerate in half the time. There are a rare few that happen to be part of an in-world puzzle. These specific veins won't regenerate until that puzzle is solved, and may indicate other puzzle-specific veins to use in the area. While most patterned blocks break in one hit, others may take multiple quartz amplified hits to break. Make sure you remember where you found the ore, just in case you need to return to it. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Genshin Impact and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.